In 2 Timothy chapter 1, Paul is teaching Timothy how to live a righteous life. And then in verse 7 he says, "For God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and of a sound mind." The Holy Spirit is not a weak spirit. If you direct translate the spirit of fear, it actually says, God's not given us a spirit of cowardness, a coward spirit. He gave us the Spirit, the Holy Spirit, and he says the Holy Spirit is a spirit of power. Acts 1 verse 8, it says, "And ye shall receive power when the Holy Spirit comes upon you." It's a spirit of love. It spreads the love of God. It makes the love of God a reality in our lives. It makes the love of God that we can share it to others. The Holy Spirit gives us the love of God. And because we have the love, we will spread the word. And a sound mind. And a sound mind, if you read it in the dictionary, it says, the ability to think rationally, make sound decisions, and understand one's action and their consequences. It means that you know what you're doing and you make the right choices and you do the right thing. We don't have a spirit that's weak. We don't have a spirit that's not powerful. We don't have a spirit that is a failure. But we have a spirit of power, love, and a sound mind.